Happy Halloween! Welcome to Miss Jessica's preschool. Today we have lots of fun things to do all about Halloween. Let me show you the schedule so you can see some things we're going to be doing. First, we're going to always do circle time and say good morning to each other with a song. Then I have a story to tell you about some ghosts. After that, we're going to sing a song about bats. Then we're going to make a project for Halloween. And after that, we're going to sing the goodbye song. Okay, friends, let's start here with a good morning song for circle time. So you can get one hand to wave or two hands. And the song goes like this. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, friends. I'm so glad you're here today. I'm going to take circle time down. We're done with that. And so now, friends, I have a story to tell you about some ghosts. Let's count how many ghosts Miss Jessica has. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ghosts. Oh my goodness, show me 5 on your hands. If you put up one hand, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers and 5 ghosts. And my story goes like this. 5 little ghosts flew through the door. 1 flew away, and then there were, how many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's only 4 ghosts. Can you show me 4 on your fingers? Good job. 4 little ghosts, spooky as can be. 1 flew away, and then there were, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, show me 3 with your fingers. 3 little ghosts drinking Halloween brew. 1 flew away, and then there were 2. 2 spooky ghosts having lots of fun. 1 flew away, and then there was 1. 1 little ghost having fun in the sun. He flew away, and then there were none. No more ghosts. Oh, friends, that was fun using our fingers and counting. So the story's done. Now we're going to sing a song about some bats. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a spooky bat. Let's count how many bats Miss Jessica has. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Okay, here is how the song goes. 3 little bats flew out to play over the trees and far away. Mama Bat said, "Eek, eek, come back." But only 2 little bats came back. Oh no, only 2 bats came back. 2 little bats flew out to play over the trees and far away. The mother bat said, "Eek, eek, come back." But only 1 little bat came back. Oh, 1 little bat flew out to play over the trees and far away. Mother bat said, "Eek, eek, come back." But no little bats came flying back. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Let's see. I don't know where they are. We better sing the song again. No little bats flew out to play over the trees and far away. Mother bat said, "Eek, eek, come back." And all of the 3 little bats flew back. Oh goodness, that's so good that they came back. All right, friends, we are done with the song. So I'm going to take that down. And now I'm going to show you a project that you could make at your house. Let me show you what you need to make it. First, I found a tube. This is from when all the toilet paper is gone. You just have the tube. So I used that, and I used my scissors. Now, an adult, a grown-up who lives at your house might have to cut for you. But what I did is I cut the ends so that I had these little things, and then I folded them back like this. okay? And I cut some off so I can make sure that I just have 8 because there is an insect, I think it's an insect, that has only 8 legs. Let me show you what you do next. The next thing you need is some black paint. And this is just an old platter that I don't use anymore, so I just poured it on there. And what you're going to do is you're going to dip your tube in the paint. Now make sure that all the parts get full of paint. Okay, now I have a white piece of paper here. Oops, that's my clipboard. I put it on a clipboard so it's easier for me to show you. And I'm going to push down my tube onto the paper, and I'm making sure all of the legs touch the paper, and I'm going to pull it back up. Ooh, what does it kind of look like, friends? A spider. And then what I could do is I could use a marker and make some eyes and a mouth. Oh boy. And now he kind of looks like a spider. Maybe this is he's coming down from his web maybe. All right, so that is something fun to do for Halloween. All right, friends, I'm going to take that project down, and now it's time for goodbye song. All right, friends, now you can do the actions on your hands at home. And the song goes like this. See you later, alligator, after a while, crocodile. In an hour, sunflower, maybe 2, kangaroo. Gotta go, buffalo. Adios, hippo. Chow, chow, brown cow. See you soon, baboon. Adieu, cockatoo. Better swish, jellyfish. Chop, chop, lollipop. Gotta run, skeleton. Bye, bye, butterfly. Better shake, rattlesnake. Our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.